So in the series of learning programming in C, we are discussing pointers in C. From this video, I am going to start a new concept in pointer, that is arithmetic, how to perform arithmetic operations on pointers and what arithmetic operations you can perform on pointer. In the previous video, I have discussed pointer to pointer, that is a double pointer concept, right? So one by one, we will see all the arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, or increment, decrement, or adding an integer value to a pointer, subtracting any integer value from a pointer, and which kind of operations are valid on pointers and which kind of operations are not. We will see one by one all the operations, and with proper example, with proper program. We will write program here, and I will show you practically also on my laptop, right? So in this video, we will see how to perform addition on pointer, right? Or whether we can add two pointer variables or not. Right, all the things we will discuss one by one in this video, right? So now let's see how we can perform addition on pointer. See, just take, first of all, I am taking one variable like int a 10, and I am taking one pointer variable int star p, and I am going to initialize it. Address of a I am going to store here, right? So in memory, how you will represent this? This would be any variable having 10. Suppose address is 1000 and this is pointer p. This is containing what? Address of a, means address of a is 1000, and p is also having its own address. Suppose I am taking 1046. This is a case, right? So now here, see, if we are having one more pointer int star q, and here also I am storing address of a. Suppose one more pointer I have q, and q is also pointing to this a, it is also having 1000, and suppose address is 2000. And if you want to perform something like this, p plus q, if you want to add two pointer variable, that is invalid in C. You cannot perform addition on two pointer variable. That is invalid. You have to take care of this thing. First point is this, right? So now how you can perform addition on pointer? What is that? What does that mean? So here the case is you can add integer to a pointer. So we are not going to take this another pointer here. So what is the case? You can add any integer value in a pointer. Like if you want to add p plus 1, that is fine. P plus 5, that is also fine. P plus 0, that is also fine. So here we are adding integer value in a pointer variable. P is pointer. Yeah, that is correct. But you cannot add two pointer variable like p plus q if q is a pointer. That is invalid. This is valid. So now if this is valid, then what output you will get if you do this kind of thing? See, here, see, if I say p is equal to p plus 1, p plus 2 suppose. So I am adding in point, this is p is pointer variable. So pointer variable is having what? Value is 1000 because it is containing address of a. If you want plus 2, many students think that answer would be 1002, right? Obviously this 1000 is, I am just taking, for simplicity purpose, this would be in hexadecimal form, or it would be any unsigned integer value. That we will see when we run this program, right? So I guess you are thinking that would be 1002, but no, this is not correct. So now how this addition would be performed? See, here, see, this a is, I am supposing that int is taking 4 byte, right? In a 32-bit compiler, int is taking 4 byte. So this a is something like this: 1, 2, 3, and 4. 100, 1001, 1002, 1003. This is a, and here we have stored 10. Obviously 10 would be converted into zeros and 1 form, binary form, like in 32 bits, and that would be stored here. 8 bit, 8 bit, 8 bit, 8 bit, like this, right? So now obviously this p is containing base address of this one, base address of, or you can say the first address of first byte, right? So if we add plus 2, means you think that now pointer is pointing 1002. Is it making any sense? I guess no, it is illogical, right? This complete pointer is representing now this complete address because it is pointing to this complete variable. So till here to here. So what's the logic of plus 2 and then pointer is pointing to here? No, that is illogical. So now what does that mean? Here in pointer we are going to add, now pointer would be, this is one memory location, after that 1004, 1004, 5, 1006, then 1007, 1008, 1009, something like this we will have, right? So if let me just first of all add 1 here. So if you add p plus 1, then it's not 1001. It would point to the next location, this one, 1004, because this complete is for A. Now if you add plus 1, this will point to the next location, that is 1004. So ultimately how many bytes has been added? 4 bytes. You are adding 1, but 4 bytes has been added. So what should be the formula? See, p plus 1 would be considered something like this. If you add p plus 1, then that would be considered, in p we have 1000 plus 1 into size of the data type. The data type is here int, because pointer is containing address of a variable whose data type is integer. Obviously this is integer, this would also be integer. Integer is taking, I am supposing 4 bytes, so into 4. So now answer would be 1004. So now p would contain 1004. Now p is pointing to here. After p is equal to p plus 1, here we will have 1004. So this is how you will add any integer value in a pointer, right? And if I want to add here 2, then what would be the answer? It would point to 2 into, obviously size of int would be 4, so 1008, it would point here. So it would point to the next element, we can say. So there is no use of like this adding integer value and all, because we are taking only single variable, and here we don't have anything. Maybe we have something, we don't know what is there in this memory. And if you want to print now here at p, after adding 2, now pointer is pointing to 1008, this memory location. At this memory location what we have? We don't know. So if you will print here, if you will print after this, printf %d and asterisk p means in direction operator, value at p. Now in p we have 1008 because we have added 2 here. So asterisk 1008, so what is value at 1008? We don't know, so it will print any garbage value. So there is no need to add this, any integer value when we deal only with variables. It would be useful when we deal with array, right? So now let me take one complex example. In that we will take array. I hope you got the logic how you will add this integer value in this case. So in general you can write what in p, if you add any n number, n integer, so this would be, formula would be p, whatever the address, plus n into size of data type. That's it. This would be the formula, right? This is how you will add, right? Now let me show you this thing with the help of one more example. There we will take an array, right? And then you will get it better, right? So rather than here taking a simple variable, I am taking int a 5 and I am initializing it here 0, 1, -1, 10, 11, 5 elements, right? So here I have one array. See, base address I am supposing 1000, so next element would be at 1004 because int is taking 4 byte, then 8, then 12, then 16. Total how many bytes would be allocated to this array? 5 into 4, that is 20 bytes, right? So now p, I am taking one pointer variable p, and p is pointing to this a. So in p we are going to store address of the first element of array, address of a of 0. In a what we have? In a, I am writing here, in a what we have? A is also, you can say, internal pointer. So a is also containing this 1000. So a is also pointing to the first element. But a is constant pointer, we cannot do something like this a plus plus or a minus minus, but with pointer p we can do this thing like a p plus 1, p plus 2, right? But with a we cannot do this addition operation like a plus 1, a plus 2. That would be illegal. It is constant pointer, it would always contain base address. Always. That thing you need to take care, right? That also I will discuss with examples. right? Now P is containing 1000, right? And suppose P address of P is 850, right? This is the visual representation of this thing. Now here, if you print here, if I am writing printf percentage d and I am printing asterisk p, what you will get? Indirection operator means we are going to print value at this address. In P we have address 1000, so value at 1000 is 0, so it will print 0, the first element, right? Now here if you do something like this, P is equal to P plus 2, what would be the case here? In P we have 1000 plus 2, it doesn't mean 1002, it means what? It is going to now point which element? This element, third element. First of all it is pointing this, then it will point this. If you do plus 1, if you do plus 2, it will point this, right? 2 position it will move further, right? Or ultimately you can find it address also, you can find address, and after that you will get, in P we have 1000 plus 2 into size of, we are taking data type is integer, that is 4, it would be 4 into 2, 8, 1008. So now after this P is containing 1008, so now P is pointing to here, right? That is possible. P, we can move this P something like this, right? Now if you will printf percentage d, and now if you print asterisk p, then what would value it will give? Value at this is -1, so it will give -1, here it will give 0, right? So I hope you got it, right? It will give, now here what in P what is there now? Address of A of 2, right? Address of A of 2 now. So see, in starting, so in general term if you write in starting, in P we have address of A of 0. In P if you will add any number, any integer number, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? That would be address of A of 0 plus n. This is how you can write it. See, here I am writing P plus 2. P plus 2 is equal to address of A of 0 plus 2, means A of 2. And now see, you can see it is pointing A of 2. This is in general you can write, right? So but see here this is not possible. If I do here something like this, rather than this I want to do A is equal to A plus 2. You will say that A is also containing address, so we can also do A plus 2, and A would also point to here. This would be illegal. This is invalid, because A would always be a constant pointer, means always it will point to the base address. We cannot move this A. This is name of array. We cannot change the value of A, whatever the A will contain. No. Yeah, you can change. If you take another, you can take another pointer and you can change that value. You can move this pointer. So I guess ultimately you can say we can also access the array elements using pointer. Either you can print, if you want to print this thing, you can print A of 2. This will also give value -1, or you can print something like this. Now P is pointing to this, so asterisk P you can print, right? Or if, see now, suppose P is, now after this point, one question for you is, we have done this thing, till now I hope you got it. Now P is pointing to this. Now if I do something like this, P is equal to, or I write some simple, P plus 1. I am not writing anything, I am simply writing P plus 1, and I am printing here printf percentage d asterisk P. Now according to you, what would be the answer? I guess you will say now P is here, so it will move to here. No, we are doing P plus 1 only, but we are not updating, we are not storing this value in any P or anything. We are adding, I hope you got it. We are adding P plus 1, but we are not storing this in P, or we are not updating this, something like this. If you do this thing, it will not produce, it will not affect this p, and p is still be here only. You can check it, you can run it, and you can tell me in comment box, maybe I am wrong. But if you do p plus plus, that is fine, because it is an increment operator. Ultimately it will add plus 1. If you want to add p plus 1, if you want to write explicitly this thing, so then you have to write this thing, p is equal to p plus 1. Now p plus 1, p is this one, plus 1 is means it will point to the next element. 4 would be added here, means it will contain 10, 12, and that would be stored now in p. So now if you will print asterisk p, 10 would be printed, right? So I hope you got addition and what is the process behind the scene, how this increment would be done, how addition would be done, sorry, right? So now let me show you practically on my laptop. So one question for you is, before that, one question for you is, you have to tell me in comment box, if here I write p is equal to p plus 1, fine, but after this I'm writing, so after writing p is equal to p plus 1, this would be same, here p plus 1, after that I'm writing one more line, asterisk p is equal to 2, and now I'm going to print asterisk p. Now what would be the answer? You have to tell me in comment box, right? So now let me show you practically how addition can be performed on pointer. And see, I hope you got, in array it makes sense when we move pointer, because we have elements, more elements. In previous case we were taking only one variable, so in that case it doesn't make any sense to increase the pointer like p plus 2 or p plus 3. It's illogical, right? So we generally do this kind of thing, addition, or you can say this arithmetic operation on pointer, when we deal with arrays, right? And if you add here something like this, here suppose I am taking p is equal to p plus 10, so how many bytes would be added? 10 into 2, that is 40. So 40 would be beyond this array, so it will print any garbage value, right? So you have to try this also. If a is name of array you are taking, you have to try this also. In a we are adding any integer value, then you have to try this, it is giving any error or not, right? So now let me show you practically this thing. So now let me create a file, pointer add.c, right? And here we are taking main function, and directly I'm not taking any variable, I am taking the example of array 5, and here only I am initializing it 1 4 3 minus 8 0, right? 5 elements we have taken in this array, and now I am taking a pointer star p, and I am initializing it what? Address of a of 0, right? Now what we will do, suppose I am printing, I want to print a, right? Sorry, the value at asterisk p, whatever the value at asterisk p, that I want to print. Value is %d, and I am printing here asterisk p, right? That's it. So let me save it, and let me show you the output. What it should give? 1, right? So it is printing value is 1, because in p we have address of a of 0, and a of 0 is 1. So that is it is printing. So now suppose I am doing p plus 2, right? And after that I want to print. Now value is %d, and here I want to print asterisk p. Let me use first of all /n here, and see what it should print. That element at second index, or you can say the third element. So first value is 1, and after that value is 2. See, value is 2. At the third position we have 2, or you can say the second index we have value 2, because we are adding 2. So it will add 2 position forward, right? So I hope you got this. And now if you print address, like if you want to know here I am printing first of all address. Not address of P, whatever the value in P, that we are printing. Address of element is percentage u, I am printing it in unsigned integer so that you will get it how many bytes it's adding. So, I am printing just P. So, it will in P obviously we will have address, and after updating P also we are going to print address. Address of element is percentage u and I am printing P simple, right. So, now see what output you are getting. Better to use /n for better understanding of the output, right. See, let me run this. See, first of all value is 1 and address of this element is unsigned integer 642220. Now, we have updated this pointer P plus 2. So, means we have ultimately added how many bytes? 2 into 4, that is 8 byte. So, now see address is 08. I hope this is clear to you, and value is what? 2. So, address of this 2 is what, or you can say third element is what? This one 64222008, right. Now, I have told you, like, if you take 2 pointer, I am taking here 2 pointer, int, one more pointer I am taking q, and here also I am storing address of a of 0. That is possible, right. 2 pointer can point to a same value, and here if you want to add P is equal to P plus Q addition. See, let me run this program. See, error is there, invalid operands to binary plus. Plus is what? Binary operator, and it is having invalid operands, like invalid operands are P and Q. So, we cannot add 2 pointer variables, right. So, this is not possible. Yeah, you can add any integer value in this pointer, or you can subtract any integer value, right. And after this suppose I am storing asterisk P is equal to 34. Now, what would be the answer? Is it print 2? It will print 2 or 34. See, it is printing now 34, not 2, because we have updated this value now. P plus 2, now pointer is pointing to this element, third element having index 2, but we have accessed that position, that value, and we have changed that value from 2 to 34. Now, star P will print 34. I hope you got this, right. And address of this is what? Now, at this time address is, see, 196, and in 196 if you will add 8, then you will get 204, right. So, this is how we can perform addition of operation on pointers.